In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfriend someone on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser. Go to chess.com and then make sure you are signed into your account. After that, it can be two different ways how we can unfriend someone. The first way is to unfriend a user from their chess.com profile. To do that, just go to your friend's profile, click at More, and that's where you can easily find or remove friend. You can click right here to unfriend that user. Also, we can, from chess.com homepage, click at that friends icon to see the list of all our friends. Currently, basically, I have just one friend here. However, if you got more, you will be able to find them here. And after that, to unfriend some user, all you have to do is just click right here at that icon which says remove friend. Just like that. It will ask you, are you sure you want to remove this friend from your list? To continue, click at yes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.